Understanding the phrase, feel it deeply, an English language learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, feel it deeply. This phrase is not only common in everyday English but also rich in emotional context. Let's dive in and understand its nuances and usage. Feel it deeply is a phrase that conveys a strong emotional experience. When someone says they feel something deeply, they're expressing that they are experiencing an emotion in a very intense, profound way. This can apply to a wide range of emotions, such as joy, sadness, love, or grief. To better understand, let's look at some examples. When I heard the news, I felt it deeply. This suggests a strong emotional reaction to the news. She feels the music deeply. Here, it indicates a deep emotional connection to the music. In each case, the phrase highlights an emotional depth that goes beyond a surface-level feeling. This phrase can be used in everyday conversations to express empathy or to share deep emotions. For instance, I can see you feel it deeply, and I'm here for you. This shows empathy and understanding. I feel your pain deeply. This is a way to express profound sympathy or solidarity. There are variations of this phrase that carry a similar meaning, like deeply moved or profoundly affected. These can be used interchangeably depending on the context. Feel it deeply is often associated with cultures that value emotional expression. Understanding this phrase also involves recognizing the importance of emotional intelligence in communication. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, feel it deeply, and how it's used in English. It's a beautiful expression of human emotion and a testament to the depth of our feelings. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.